How to change Valorant name? Open Riot client, click profile icon, click account details. It opens a Riot account management page. Sign in to your account. Click game name option. Edit your name. After editing, you need to click save change. Click it. Edit your name. Once editing after, you need to click save change option. Click it. It successfully changed. Riot ID can be changed every 90 days. You will be able to change again on the date is there. After that only you can change next time. So this is how to change Valorant name. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.